Have you ever swam underneath the ancient bridge? No, I'm asking, really. Have you?
We can be here on the parking lot with the really beautiful rock faces just around our van. Yeah. The high season starts, I think, in a couple of weeks time, but before that we can be here all alone. Parking signs. We don't see that often. It's really rare to see designated parking lots in anywhere in Greece. So we are happy to use them now. Just taking 2 spaces when there's nobody else.
People came here to little off-roading in the riverbeds, and they made water, crystal clear water, to look really brown and murky. Thanks for spoiling our drone footage.
Seksikäs pyllähys. Huomioitavasti kaninat. All these years the river has carved its way through this rock face. It's remarkable. Like, look in this. Yeah. Lots of nice canyons in Greece, and water is really cold, as we were told, but canyon is 600 meters long and I think 70 meters deep, and it just continues. We are blessed to be in Greece and in off-season Greece, so we don't see any other people. As you can see, Sarah is only one here on that bridge there.
The canyon is so impressive and it looks so beautiful when the sunbeams are hitting the walls. I love the textures and tiny little holes and plantation and plenty of birds living there. Even orniokotka. Yeah. Beautiful, gorgeous place.
Oh, so refreshing. Going swimming just beside driving day. Yeah, this is driving day. We're gonna go over the one pass towards Ioninna, and because we are going to Ioninna, our pump is there. It has arrived to ACS store. So most of the Greek web shops, they accept PayPal, which is good. We love it. And also they have 2 options to use post. You can use ACS, which is the courier service, or the local post service. Both works great. You always pick up the package from the office and you can get there. You don't need any address. Just use the address of a post office or ACS service office and they go straight there to be picked up. Really easy to order things. This time we use Zampetas camper store, which is, I think, the only camping or camper store in whole Greek that sells spare parts. They had the boat pieces that we needed in stock, so it's really easy to just pick up them and change them, and we have again working pump.
Bye bye beautiful bridges, a new ancient bridges are coming, plenty of them here in South Europe.
Again, scored a jackpot for water, so we don't mind if we have to drink from the bucket. at all. Van life is full of things that happens and you just have to deal with them. We don't make really a big fuss about these things. But we have got rid of all the ants that was in our van. I killed by hand 262. Sarah killed I think 12 and this raid guy here killed the rest. So we haven't seen any ants in days. So we got rid of them. Those crawly buggers, they are gone from our van. But yeah, things like this happens when you are living in a forest and just living in your van. It's a small space, so even small things feels really big because it's so big part of your life. Yeah. So now we are got rid of the ants and I think we are just waiting next thing to happen. Yeah. But still, even with these struggles, this life is the best. Little bit of bushes. Bushes on the right and bushes on the left. No bushes in this one.
Jätetäänkö tähän
Joo. Amrabo Pass was no go. The clouds are so low that at 2200 there wouldn't be any sight to see. So we decided to go through this really old pine forest and pine area.
The path was stunning and so versatile, and we did see a bunch of those ancient bridges.
Whenever there's a new bridge, there's usually an old bridge just beside them, and they are renovating those old bridges and keeping them standing, so you can still see all those old things. Old ancient roads and paths. If you go walk on the forest, there's a path that was used 1,000 years ago with horses and donkeys.
Yeah, and also there's so many archaeological sites here. Most of them are totally free.
And most of them are rubbled, but still you can see what was there back in the days. Pindus Mountains, they are versatile place, so I think we're gonna spend a little bit more time here on this area because it's so nice, and we are not in rush to go to Albania or Serbia, so we can stay here.
This is our favorite surroundings, and now we came next to the river to spend the night again. We love these mountain rivers here in Greece because they are so clear, turquoise and cold. It's nice to go deep in there.
And it's really easy to find free camping spots along these rivers. Wherever there goes a road or bridge, usually there goes some gravel road to the shoreline of the
riverbed. Yeah, usually a little narrow, but you can fit there with the motorhome.
Yeah, so it's really easy to free camp here. National parks and those Natura 2000 areas on this area especially they are forbidden to any free camping or even parking overnight.
Yeah.
So we are trying to figure out some map that shows the boundaries of those areas. Google Maps is quite good, but still it doesn't show clearly where they are. So we have to find some maps that we can use.
Hectic driving day is over and we are starving.
Yeah.
Our favorite food again. We don't have pita fraps, but we do have a tortilla fraps. Thanks so much for watching our videos.
Yes. We will see you in Pindus Mountains
Yeah.
next week.
We are Sara, Joni from Fantastic.
And we love to swim in the rivers.